Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Installing Anaconda and Python 3.7 Tutorial. Anaconda is a powerful open-source platform that simplifies package management and deployment for data science and machine learning projects. This tutorial will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Anaconda with Python 3.7. Visit the official Anaconda website at https://www.anaconda.com/products/distribution. Choose the appropriate version based on your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and download the Python 3.7 version. Open a terminal window. Navigate to the directory where the downloaded script is located. Run the following command to start the installation. Replace version with the version number you downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, open a new terminal or command prompt and type. This should display the installed Conda version, confirming that Anaconda is successfully installed. Now, let's create a new virtual environment with Python 3.7 and activate it. Replace myenv with your desired environment name. Activate the environment. For Windows. For macOS/Linux. You can install additional Python packages using Conda install. For example, congratulations! You have successfully installed Anaconda with Python 3.7 and created a virtual environment. You are now ready to start working on your data science or machine learning projects. ChatGPT.